come together to appreciate each other.
Yes. What I can say to you guys, don't take disabled people for granted. We are just equal as you.
You know what? I want to tell you something.
Yes.
Amaqaqa have started this thing. They are the mouthpiece of disabled people.
Yes.
We are going to make sure that the cry of disabled people about being rejected is going to be loud and clear and be heard by any organizations, everyone in the world, so that we come together, we become equal people as we are. Because some now they are saying disabled, but to us it's disabled.
Something.
Disability, means nothing.
Yes.
And you say disability, you say what is.
Disability is not inability.
I like that. Disability is
not inability.
Not inability.
Yes.
We are together in this.
Thank you. Thank you. Guys. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
It was
thank
nice
you very much.
to talk with you.
Yes.
And can I tell you something?
Yes.
You are a star. You are a really star.
You think so?
Especially when you say this one thing you can beat me,
Yes.
with the catapult.
Bring a catapult here.
No. That means even a can you can.
Yes. Amanzi amancane lawo. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
Okay, listeners out there, thank you very much. Disability really means nothing.
Disability is inability.
Yes.
Yes.